we have this question here to solve. To solve this correctly, the first thing we need to consider is to make sure that both sides of the equation are being expressed in the same base. Here we have a common base of 9, and here we have base 3. Then we are going to express both sides in base 9. To do that, we need to square the base of this, which is 3, and as well square the arguments. And now the equation becomes log square root of 2x plus 3 all squared base 3 all squared equals log x plus 8 base 9. Then we simplify this further and we have log. Here square root will eliminate square and we have into 2x plus 3, then 3 square gives you 9 equals log into x plus 8 base 9. Now since we have common base, we are free to cancel it out, and we have 2x plus 3 equals x plus 8. Now the next step to be considered is to collect like terms, and the equation becomes we have 2x. If you move positive x here from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes minus x equals 8. If you move plus 3 here to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. Therefore, we have here 2x minus x, that gives us x equals 8 minus 3, that gives us 5. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.